Welcome to the episode on the geometric construction. In this episode, which is episode number 21, we are done on the individual tutorials on the various constructions. Now we are going to combine them together in a given question. So these are typical questions that can be given to you under construction. Don't forget, we are going to follow all that we have done so far. Construction of angles, perpendicular bisectors, construction of locus. So we are going to see how we can do that. So using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. So we are to construct a triangle XYZ in which the length of XY should be 12 centimeters, the angle on X should be 45 degrees, the angle on Y should be 60 degrees. That's the first part. Then we are to construct a circle to pass through the point X, Y, Z. Then we measure the radius of the circle and then find the perimeter. Don't forget how to construct a circle to circumscribe. That properties have been done in the previous episode. So you can check them out in our previous episode in the playlist. So now let's see how we can be able to do this. The first thing we are going to do is to draw our line segment XY, which will be 12 centimeters. And we must draw that line segment to be more than 12 so that we have an overlap. So to get an overlap, I have my X. Then you measure now from the X to get to the B, which will give you your 12 centimeters. So in this case, I have my Y 12 centimeters. So the first line is drawn. The next thing to do is to construct the angle 45, which is sitting on the letter X. The middle letter takes on the angle. We will not waste time because we've learned how to construct angle 45. So what do? We construct angle 90 as the first one, then we bisect. Let me go to the procedure. Start at X. Then make a semicircle with the same radius. Draw your two intersecting arcs. 1, 2. On those intersecting arcs, we are going to construct our 90 degrees. Here, then we follow suit to this, and we cut it there. So now we can get our 90 degrees. Don't forget, we are not looking for 90. So we use that with a broken line. Let's take our broken line. So this is our 90 degrees. So now let's bisect the 90 degrees to get the angle 45. So now we stand at this point, open a radius, make an arc, come back to the line that make the 90, make an arc. These two arcs intersected to give us our 45 degrees. So let's see. So what will I do? I have my 45 degree. The next angle is on Y, which is what? 60 degrees. Very simple to construct. If you watch the previous episode, you will know what to do. So if you don't, check the playlist and get that. So you stand at B, open any convenient radius, make a semicircle. On that semicircle with the same radius, stand there and make an arc. So we are now going to join that arc we constructed with the base Y to form the triangle we are required to draw. Good. So this is 60 degrees and this will be our Z. So you can see we have constructed the triangle XYZ. XYZ. The next thing to do is to construct a circle to pass through the point X, Y, Z. The circle is passing through all the vertices. How do we do that? If you check in the previous episode, one of the episodes, how to circumscribe a circle passing through all the vertices, meaning you are bisecting a line. So let's bisect the line and see how we can do that. To bisect a line, go back and check from the previous episodes how we bisect a line. So we stand here, we open the compass, we draw a line both outside, that's both sides of the line. Then I go back to Z, then I intersect that arc that I've drawn first. So the point of intersection of those two arcs give way to our perpendicular bisector. I believe it passes through here. So I have my perpendicular bisector of the line YZ. Let's do same for XY. So when I stand here, open the radius above, then I go back to X and Y and intersect that. I believe you're following through step by step. So the point of intersection of those two arcs, let's do that and see that. Where is the point of intersection? The point of intersection becomes the O. What is the O? The center of the circle. So if your compass at the center, opening any radius that is equal to the X, that is starting the X. Let's start it the X or the Z first. Let's start the Y and start the X. So we can draw our circle now. Be careful. I'm having a slippery board, so you have it perfect. I think the radius changes. Okay. Good. It is moving. The center display. So make sure you don't get the woolly line that we are having here. Good. So you can see that if you follow all that we have done in the previous episode, you can be able to bring all to bear and construct a question, construct a diagram that is based on a given question, using all the concepts you have learned: bisectors, locus, angles, and triangle. I believe you followed through vividly the step-by-step approach in constructing this diagram. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Share with somebody. Then let's comment and like the video. Bye-bye.